Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do on-click events in jQuery. So let's get started here. I'll show you guys what we got. We have this button, and what we want to do is we want to make it so that when you click on the button, something will happen to these words down here. All right, so let's get started here. So we have an image element and then an H1 element. And what we want to do is we want to target this element right here when we click on the button, and we have class names assigned. I have the button as a class, and I have a class the text. So we have our document.ready function as is required for jQuery because it can only run when the document has rendered. So we want to go ahead, we want to target first the image, the button, because the button is an image. We want to tell it so that when we click on that, something will happen. So first let's target that. So its class is called the button. And then what do we want to do? We want to say on what? On a click. What do you want to do on a click? Well, whatever you want to happen, you put it into a function as the second argument. The click here is the first argument. The second argument is going to be a callback function, and whatever goes inside this function here is going to be what happens when the button is clicked. So anything within these curly braces here is what's going to happen when you click on the button. So let's go ahead, and what do we want to happen? Okay, well, first we want to target the text, and so it's the text. That's the class name we gave it. And what do we want to happen? Well, for starters, let's just see if we can change the color to red. So we'll target the CSS, and we'll say color red. Let's go ahead and see if that works. So when we click on the button, the text color should change from black to red, and there we go. And I just want to show you guys real quick, you could do multiple things at once. So you could say, I want the color to change to red, and then this is called chaining. You can put something at the end. It's called chaining because you can continue to put more things at the end of each parenthesis. So we can just say, for example, animate another object in here, and we could say font size. Let's do 200 pixels. So what this is saying now is when the button is clicked, go ahead, find the text class, change the CSS color to red, and then also animate it to a font size of 200 pixels. Let's see if that works. And as you can see, it works. So that was a simple how to do on-click functions in jQuery. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, be sure to like the video and also subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it, and have a good one.